Hello and welcome to today's 5-minute theory lesson. Now we're going to be having a look at two different things today. To begin with, we're going to have a look at articulation in music. Now the articulation tells us whether the music is being played smoothly or whether it's being played sort of spikily. And we have terminology for this. We use the words legato and staccato, and there's specific symbols that we use on the music to indicate what articulation to play. So we're going to have a listen to some pieces of music and identify the articulation being used. But we're also going to have a look at what a sharp and a flat are in music. Sometimes people describe spiky music as sounding sharp, and that's the wrong use of the word. And you'll see why as we work our way through today's lesson. And as ever, Mini Mozart's here to help. So, in today's video, we're diving into the world of sharps and flats. First, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Sometimes people use the word sharp to describe music that sounds spiky or edgy, but in music theory, a sharp is actually a specific kind of note. If you look at a piano keyboard, you'll notice that there are both black and white keys. The black keys are where you'll find most of your sharps and flats. For example, if you start on the note F and move up by a semitone or half step, you'll land on F sharp. So sharps are notes that have been raised by a half step or semitone. On the flip side, if you start on the note B and move down a semitone or half step, you'll get B flat. Flats are notes that are lowered by a half step or semitone, or as I like to say, squished. Let's try a quick quiz. Imagine Mini Mozart is on the note G and raises it by a semitone or half step. Which note does he land on? That's right, G sharp, the black key to the right of G. Now let's start on A and flatten it. Where's A flat? You'll actually land on the same key as G sharp. Both names, A flat and G sharp, refer to the same note. Next up, let's talk about articulation, which tells us how a note should be played. There are many types of articulation, but today we're going to focus on two, staccato and legato. Staccato means short and spiky, while legato means smooth and connected. And actually, if you think about the way that you say it, it's really helpful. Staccato sounds a spiky word, legato sounds a smooth word. For staccato, you'll see a dot either above or below the note. For legato, there's a line over or under a group of notes. So, how would you play this little section of music? That's right, the first section is played staccato and the second section is played legato. Most music actually mixes legato and staccato for different effects. Now listen to these two excerpts. Can you tell which one is played legato and which one is staccato? So you should have that Nocturno by Schubert is legato and The Snow is Dancing by Debussy is staccato. Don't forget to check the Theatre of Music website for more resources. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Theatre of Music YouTube channel, and also check out the Theatre of Music Facebook page, Instagram and TikTok.